Alright, this is Earl from Virginia. I'm out in the middle of Nowhereville with a good friend of mine, Gerald, and we went looking for a blast furnace today. We didn't find it, but we got our search narrowed down. We know about where it is now, but he had an idea of this place, and I want to show you this. If anybody knows what this is, let me know. It's kind of square in structure, but round corner walls. The corners have been cut to fit. This thing's about, what do you think, Joe? About 20 feet deep, maybe?
Yeah.
Of course, the top's missing. And I'll show you in a minute. It's got two front chutes on it, but there is no chutes in the rear. It's just a solid octagonal, like an octagonal tunnel. Sucker's old though. I'll show you some joints on the other side. Alright, I want to show you this part because this shows that there is some wood in the structure right here at the top end. But look at this joint. I think Todd from Appalachian History Hunters. Todd, I'm going to throw this your way. You were talking about joints. I think this, what you said, was prior to 1840. I won't swear to that. But here's two joints on this structure. The rest of the wood is rotted away. So, that's some of the chutes in the back. This has been up front, like a log mantle. Then there's two open fronts. The landowner thinks it might have had something to do with limestone or lime period. Lime. The landowner thinks it might have been lime kiln or lime. I'm not foreseeing the kiln deal because I don't see any char markings on these rocks, but I could be wrong. If you guys got any clue, let me know. There's another, what's left of the joint, not much left because this tree's pretty much destroyed this corner. But in behind, I'm pretty sure the rocks were quarried from in behind. I'm not going to climb back up on that hill, but there's you can probably get a glimpse of it here. If you can see that gully. There's a gully right back in there. I'm pretty sure the rock for the structure was quarried out of that gully right there, and it made it to here. But if you guys got any clue what kind of structure this is, I'd appreciate it. Again, oops. Try to back this frame out. I would figure it'd have been a wooden floor here at one time. Long gone. I figured it would have had a wooden top with a roof one time. Not sure what it is though. Here's that area where the rocks at. I'm pretty sure the quarry zone is right there for the building. Alrighty. Give me your input. Alright, another gem in the rough today. The structure, I actually can't see it, but the structure is right straight over there. When we're coming in, we've seen this old, I'm pretty sure it's a Buick. Look at this gas tank up on top, man. Spent its last day right here. Probably the kids out joyriding. Not much left of it. I don't think this wheel is original. This wheel here looks like an old cart wheel. It's a two-piece model with a heavy iron hub. Pretty sure this is a Buick. You guys know what it is? Let me know. But just love that old gas tank. Jimmied into the carb. Single barrel. Look at that old toot horn, man. Alternator still there, or generator, or whatever it was. I take it this is a flask lid fuel pump. I'm not sure. Coal and distributor, what's left of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cylinder. I bet you one of you guys would love to try to start that thing up. Alright, man. Just want to show you some history rotting away in the woods. Y'all have a good one.
It did run on rails because of this flange here. and it's in the middle of the woods.
Check
So what else
these out,
what else
guys.
would it be up in here?
More gems. I guess there's another old single barrel sitting out there. Some gas tanks. Check that out, man. How often you come out in the woods and just find carburetors laying around? That's another big old wheel right there. Look at that one, guys. Check that out.
Flywheel to probably put a
Big old belt?
belt on. Yep.
Saw belt?
Be my guess.
Yeah, but Gerald thinks this is the old sawmill site. Makes sense to me. All cans of oil cans, ain't there? Gas can, oil cans, pencil? Texaco? Yeah, it looks like Texaco. Yeah, it is. Single barrel. That's
Probably the kit and rebuild it.
Whoops. There's a gear and pinion. Oh, I'm sure that thing probably crank over again with the rebuild kit. You guys do it all the time on YouTube. Unreal. I'm sure there's plenty more treasures out here somewhere. The big old pearl knot up on the tree up there. I don't know if you can see that if it closed out. Big old knot, pearl. Pretty area, old roadbed there, creek, dry creek bed. That storage building, whatever it is up there. Sawmill down here. Alright, let's find something else, good, we're heading out. Alright, we kind of figured the structures back there, we kind of figured this road was right there on that plain. And coming out, we walked right past this. I didn't see it walking in, but I'm pretty sure this is going to be the house, or some type of a house. Or maybe another one of those structures we've seen back there. It could have been another one of these. They could have been another one of them things. It's got that roundness look to it.
It's pretty small.
Yeah, but see how it's round? In the corners? I bet you it was the same thing as back there.
It could very well be. You may be right.
We walked right past this, didn't he see it? This might be, kind of looks like the same thing as up on the hillside.
Probably about the third time I've been in here and I didn't see this either. It just, yeah.
So, like I said, we thought the road would be coming up.
Right was right.
Now the rocks are smaller on the outside of this one. They use fill on this one. Yeah, it's designed a lot like that other one. Not as deep, but it's definitely round like that other one. Or, you know, this is more round. Maybe this is the first try. This one's been destroyed. There's a big old tree in it and the front's collapsed. Yeah, I thought it was going to be a house, but it's no house. This is probably the same type of structure that was back there. A little bit different. Doesn't look near as high. There's some glass there. Gerald, see what that is?
Where?
On the side of the tree. Looks like a whole bottle right there.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Or part of one.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably going to be a mason jar. We want to bet.
That's Coke.
Is it Coke? Unreal.
That's COL.
Cola. Some kind of cola. Pull on out.
COLA. Yeah, it's Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola?
Not very old.
No, it's probably somebody
Glass bottle.
playing around in here.
Yeah.
There's some more glass in behind. There's some ball jars behind it. Down behind you.
Yeah, I saw those too, yeah.
Ooh. Beer bottles, some big old ball jars down there. This looks like it might have been a house site dump for a little bit. Alright, I'll let y'all go.